Hey friends, my name is Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are talking about some basic and some important tools in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump to the video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. First of all, I import this video in Photoshop. I'm really sorry. I import this photo. I download this photo from free website. Now, the first tool of today is this tool, Doggy tool. Right click on this and adjust your size what you want. Like this. This tool is used to lighten your face color. Like this, you can see the color of the face of this girl is very light, like this. You can also see before and after, like this. Now if you want to blur the hairs of this girl, then you use this blur tool, and you can also use this tool. Right click on this and adjust the size for your requirements, like this, and you can give a style to the hairs of this girl, like this. Now I'm really sorry for waiting. Use this and go to the filter menu, and you can see here camera raw filter. Click here and you can adjust the brightness of this image from here, like this, like this. Shadows, black shadows and the dark shadows, whatever you want. You can also, like this, click on OK, like this. And today we learn a main and a basic tool of Doggy tool to bright your face in picture. That's in the today video. If you like this video, make sure you leave a comment in this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and interesting videos. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.